Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews, your go-to channel for the latest in tech news, reviews, and deep dives. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2024 Mac Mini. With all the buzz surrounding the latest leaks and rumors, particularly regarding the new M4 and M4 Pro chips, there's plenty to discuss. We'll break down everything from the expected release date and pricing to potential design changes, performance capabilities, and what these advancements mean for users. So, let's jump right in. The Mac Mini has been a staple in Apple's lineup since its debut in 2005, consistently offering a compact and affordable entry point into the macOS ecosystem. Over the years, its design has remained relatively unchanged, retaining that sleek, minimalist aesthetic that Apple is known for. The 2020 shift to Apple's M1 chip was a game changer, bringing unprecedented power and efficiency to the Mac Mini. This move marked the beginning of a new era for Apple's desktop lineup. And now, as we approach 2024, the Mac Mini is poised to take another giant leap forward with the introduction of the M4 and M4 Pro chips. The heart of the 2024 Mac Mini is expected to be Apple's latest silicon, the M4 and M4 Pro chips. Apple's in-house processors have been pushing the boundaries of what's possible in a compact form factor, and the M4 series looks to continue this trend. This chip is expected to feature a 10-core CPU, combining high-performance and high-efficiency cores, similar to what we've seen in the M2, but with even greater capabilities. This setup is designed to handle everything from high-end gaming to 4K video editing with ease, all while maintaining the energy efficiency that Apple's chips are known for. For those who demand even more power, the M4 Pro chip is expected to offer a significant upgrade over the base M4. While details are still under wraps, it's likely that the M4 Pro will feature additional CPU and GPU cores, providing even more processing power. Whether you're into content creation, data analysis, or just need a powerful machine for day-to-day tasks, the M4 Pro chip will likely make the 2024 Mac Mini one of the most versatile desktops on the market. Apple is known for its minimalist design philosophy, but there have been whispers that the 2024 Mac Mini could feature a sleeker, more modern look. One of the more interesting rumors suggests that Apple might reduce the size of the Mac Mini even further, possibly introducing a new color scheme to align with the design language of other recent Apple products. Gaming has always been a bit of an afterthought when it comes to Mac computers, but the tide might be turning with the 2024 Mac Mini. With the expected improvements in GPU performance, the M4 and M4 Pro chips could make the Mac Mini a more viable option for gamers. Based on the latest rumors and reports from industry insiders like Mark Gurman, the new Mac Mini could be unveiled at the end of 2024 or early 2025. Mac Mini has been positioned as Apple's most affordable desktop, with the current M2 model starting at $699. The base model with the M4 chip could start around $699 to $799, making it an accessible option for a wide range of users. For those opting for the M4 Pro version, the price could rise significantly, potentially starting around $1,099 or higher, depending on the configuration. In conclusion, the 2024 Mac Mini is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases in Apple's desktop lineup. With the introduction of the M4 and M4 Pro chips, significant design enhancements, and the promise of unmatched performance in a compact form factor, it's easy to see why this product is generating so much buzz. Whether you're a creative professional, a power user, or someone looking for a reliable and powerful desktop, the 2024 Mac Mini could be the perfect solution. As we get closer to its release, more details will likely emerge, so be sure to stay tuned to this channel for the latest updates. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the upcoming Mac Mini, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments what you're most excited about with the new Mac Mini and what features you hope to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.